to start new video. 25 into 50. Okay, 25 feet into 50, 25 this side and 50 feet this side. Okay, 1250 square feet. Now start plan. Start gate, entrance, and up stair 3 feet 6 inch wide and 3 feet 6 inch, and this side 3 feet 6 inch. Okay, and this is lobby and stair lobby. Okay, and this side 11 feet, this side 11 feet. Okay, and this is door and and this is door, and now door. Okay, bedroom and guest room. Okay, bedroom or guest room. Okay, and distance this side 12 feet and this side 11 feet. Okay, and this is toilet, attached toilet, and distance 6 feet 7 inch and 5 feet 1 inch this side. Okay, next drawing hall, big size drawing hall, and distance 17 feet 2 inch this side. Okay, and this side 13 feet 11 inch. Okay, next open area, door, kitchen, kitchen 8 feet 4 inch and this side length 10 feet. Next door, common, bath and latrine, and distance 6 feet this side 6 feet 7 inch and this side length 8 feet 5 inch. Okay, and next dining hall, big size dining hall 15 feet 5 inch this side length and this side 10 feet. Okay, next door, this is door, bedroom, and this side distance 12 feet and this side 13 feet. Okay, next door next bedroom this side distance 11 feet 9 inch and this side 13 feet. Okay, this is 3 BHK house plan, 3 bedroom house plan, and outside wall 5 inch 125 mm and inside wall 5 inch 125 mm wall. Okay, and this is ventilation part, window, yellow color marking window and ventilation part. Okay, this is ventilation window, W1 W and W window, ventilation ventilator W and W and W. Okay, next column 3, number 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, 13 14 15 16 and 17 numbers column, and column size 10 inch into 12 inch, 250 into 300 mm. Okay, and foundation size 5 feet into 5 feet into 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, 1.5 meter into 1.5 meter into 1.650 meter. Okay, or this building cost, making cost total 1250 into 600 rupees per square feet. Okay, and thank you watching this video.